morning, everybody. Jordan Morris here with Vert Smoke, and we've got a great one today. Think to yourself, when is the last time you had pigs in a blanket? We're gonna do it again, except this time we're gonna remix it in the smoker. Once you try this, you won't go back. So today we're gonna be using the Cowboy Charcoal, the hardwood briquettes. Obviously you can see here it's the hickory flavor. Choose any one you like. I love this with this recipe. It adds a great flavor. We're gonna heat up our smoker to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So first things first, we gotta get out our crescent rolls. So to line up your crescent rolls, no real magic to this, but you wanna start with the thicker end of your crescent roll. Very simply, take your dog, wrap it up. I love making this for game day. I mean, think about the last time you had pigs in a blanket. It's probably been a while, right? But I bet if you try it on your smoker, you'll never go back. All right, the grill is preheated, so it's time to put on the egg wash and a little bit of our favorite rub. So don't be worried about the egg wash. This is just one beaten egg with like a tablespoon of water. So you just brush this on to any type of dough that you want to make look a little extra shiny, and it helps our rub stick to the hot dogs and the dough. So nothing too wild, just give it a little brush just to help it get that sheen and the rub to stick. So for today, I'm gonna be using this Jack Daniel's pork rub. It's great. You can use any one you like. This one just tastes great and it looks great. Once these come out of the smoker, you'll see the sheen on the dough and that red from the spice rub. It really makes them look a lot better. And that's it. We don't need to add a whole lot. There's a ton of flavor in the hot dogs. The dough doesn't need much. So we're good to put these on the grill. Come with me. So today I'm using hot dogs, obviously, but you can mix this up however you want. If you want a spicy sausage, an andouille, if you want to rub some barbecue sauce on the dough, then roll it. If you want to put a piece of cheese in there and roll it, all of those are really great. There we go. Check back in 15-20 minutes. Let's eat. Okay. Our pigs in a blanket are done. Let's take them out, see how they look. So we did rotate these halfway through just to make sure they were cooking evenly. And you can see how they turned out. They look good. They've got some grill marks even. And these are going to be delicious. So you can serve this with your favorite condiment. Today I've just got a little ketchup and mustard, the classics. And there we go, pigs in a blanket. Well, thanks again. This is Jordan Morris, AKA Vert Smoke, here with Cowboy Charcoal. For recipes like this and more, like, follow, subscribe, go to cowboycharcoal.com. Give it a try. Tell us what you do. Tell us how you change it up and if you use it for your next tailgate. Until next time, keep cooking with Cowboy.